Okay, then we'll get into a warm-up introduction for the true angle problems. Yeah, solving for the true angle problems. And so these angles are between the two, between intersecting planes. Again, don't worry about the bulky explanation, but I have a responsibility to go, each one of them. Let me take this thing to here. The slides are not very good, but we don't have a choice to use this. All right, we're going to solve the angle problem. So the angles again are between the two intersecting planes. Between intersecting planes, of course. So we're dealing with the principle in our projection steps, and all these basic principles and projection steps are constant, right? Always constant when you deal with solving the angle problems between two intersecting planes or surfaces, okay? And we call them the true angle, yeah? So first, we're going to identify the line that's going to result from the intersection between the two planes. So you have a two plane, they intersect each other. We're dealing with the angle in between them. All right, the first thing we do is we're going to identify the line, yeah, that will result from that intersection between the two planes. And this, we call it line of intersection between the two planes. And that got to be projected into a view, right? Where is a true length is displayed. We bring in the true length again, yeah. Don't worry about it reading. Yes, I'll show you in the diagram with the examples. So intersection, angle, start with the line, and we're gonna project it to get the true length, just like we project from the parallel line to the full line in a previous example dealing with the oblique surfaces. This time dealing with the intersecting planes. Start with the line, project it, and you're gonna get your true length. From true length we do the same thing. We will project it again, and you will get a line of sight, a parallel to that projection coming out from the true length of the intersecting planes. And then at the same time, we're going to produce again our edge view coming in. From the edge view, we're going to get solve the problem by producing or generating the last view. Of course, we got to go through a different auxiliary views in between them. So let's take a look at how we do with the true angle problems. So since this is a warm-up and introduction, so we'll get into types of true angle problems. So we deal with the problems, where the line of intersection is a true length in at least one of the given given view, right? All the views are all the way anyway. So that's a first, right, type. And second one is we deal with the problems where the line of intersection is oblique again to the projecting plane and is therefore not true length in any of the ortho views. Okay, so at that time you have to tweak a little bit. Use a different approach to solve the true angle. But that's just an introduction, right? Introduction won't give you a lot of the things, but you kind of get the idea. Oh, I'm dealing with the intersecting plane. I'm dealing with a line. Then from that line, I'm going to get the true length. From that true length, I'm going back to one slide here. From that true length, right, we are going to get into the parallel lines to the line of sight. And from there, we're going to get into the angle. And generally, we have two types. So one is true length, right, is in one of the view, and the other one we don't have the true length in any of the views. All right, so if you get about that much, it's okay. Okay, so let's get into problem in next section. So let's stop this here.